Bradley claims to be home from the university library. Easton says he remembers it all so well.
What the hell are you doing? What did you do that for? Crazy cat. Look at my poor Christmas tree now.
There's only one reason Bradley would ask a friend with no car and no license to pick him up.
He needed Bill Easton to come and get him, knowing full well that Bill Easton didn't have a car, no way to come and get him. We suspected Will was trying to set up an alibi.
But the alibi quickly falls apart when Detective Park looks over phone records buried in the cold case file.
There was only one telephone call that came into Gino's bar during that period of time. It wasn't from the University of Utah Library. It was from a place called Lake Point, which is right off of Interstate 80, and it's also on the way back from 5 Mile Pass.
The call is traced to a truck stop at Lake Point.